5:10 a.m.
Bullshit.
Michelle says bullshit. This is Camp Captain Morgan.
Oh, don't get my rolls.
I got you on camera saying that we have to get an early start because we camped out at this secret location, Highway 4A, where the cars just keep coming and the party never stops. Looking forward to a easy day.
Really? Is it gonna be easy? I don't know about easy. Oh, God.
I need to learn how to film.
Yeah, you do.
Good morning. Day one, success. So easy.
No, not easy.
I think I should have did like 40 miles. I don't know why I stopped at 21.6 at 10:30 at night with nothing to eat. I should have kept pushing through the night.
Yeah, I don't think so.
Let's blow this trail out.
You'd be pushing alone, bro.
Come on, man.
I'd be pushing you
Stop
off the
dragging
bridge.
Stop dragging me down.
Because that's reality. My body is
Reality
broken.
is, you need to start sucking it up.
The suck has already started. What you fucking talking about?
Camp Morgan kept everyone comfortable.
Oh, God.
Ripped a hole in my sleeping bag the first night. Damn feathers going everywhere. I used KT tape so it doesn't fly away. All my goose feathers are starting to flop away. Anyways, we gotta pack up before we get in trouble. Get out of here. Plus these cars are making me sleepy. Every 10 seconds, one goes by.
What do you mean? They don't stop.
18-wheelers.
They don't even stop.
How do you get good quality with the camera? Like filming like in the dark. How do you get good quality with the camera in the dark like this? You have flash? Yeah. Yes. That's a little fuggy. Probably feeling banged up.
Walk on this trail?
Leaving camp. How come the flash comes on if I don't really need it? Yeah, this is where we walk. Leaving camp. Our first stealth camping success. Heading to Bahia Honda. I'll use that to zoom. One actually looks the best right there. One time zoom. Leaving camp. We slept in the end of Sugarloaf / Summerland Key. Now we are headed to Bahia Honda. Michelle is charged and ready to go. Let me hear.
I don't know about
Hallelujah.
I don't know about either
Hallelujah.
one of those. I'll be saying hallelujah when we
Amen.
get to
I'm gonna make it today. It's coming on. More light required. The green tunnel. There's the little blimp they use to watch for illegals and drug activity. Pretty cool. Beautiful sunrise with the cars going by at the reflection of the sun.
Good morning. We did 21 and a half miles yesterday. I was so tired. Actually, not so much tired, but I was so unbelievably so much pain. I have plantar fasciitis, and it's the worst in my right foot. Ever since I started training for this trail, I started running more, and we did a half marathon, and all of a sudden the plantar fasciitis started kicking in again. So there's that to deal with. So my right heel even now is like in pain. I'm hoping it just has to warm up a little bit and then it won't feel so bad. Started off with one pair of socks today. Yesterday my feet were hurting so bad I started with the Injinji toe liners, and then I put the Darn Tough. So it gave me a little extra cushion last night. That helped. But my thighs were getting like shooting pains. My knees were about ready to crumple. I just felt like I was falling apart. It was bad. I barely made it to camp. And I didn't eat. I just said, screw it, let me clean up and go to bed. So today we're getting an earlier start, because yesterday we didn't start hiking until like around 2, and we got into camp. I think it was like around 10:30. I think it was like 10 o'clock. So I think we went to sleep, or I went to sleep like around 11. But we only had 2 hours of sleep the night before, so that wasn't good either. So we're walking to, oh gosh, I forget what it's called. Some place to get breakfast. So I think it's like a mile and a half down the road. We have good weather today. Sun is starting to come up. Yesterday pretty much rained all day. I think it cleared up finally like around 6 p.m. So we did our night hike dry, which was nice. So, all right, ready to get this day started. I'm hoping my body can handle it. Today, I think, is 14 and a half miles or 15, something like that, to Bahia Honda State Park. But I was like, oh, maybe we could push through, but I already know my body is shot. I've been just going, been busy at home prior to this hike, just on the run nonstop. I was already tired before we started this hike, and then having 2 hours of sleep before. We really should have pushed the hike start date like back one day, just so that we had a little more time to get all the last minute items finalized. But Bobby likes to push things to the limit. Like he worked his last shift at air traffic control and he retired. First day of retirement, we're hiking. Like, seriously, can't we just take one day off to recuperate? So that's where we're at. Hoping we make it to breakfast in a good amount of time. And I don't know what Bobby's, the sun is coming up. It's looking pretty. So we're gonna get on the road and get going. Give you updates soon.
I hope we can find a coffee place. So thirsty. What? Let's go for vibes.
This was delish. Just what I needed.
This is the Key West weather I'm talking about.
Alright, we stopped at a little grocery store and we got lucky and there's a little outlet. So we're gonna stop and get a little snack, take a little break, and recharge a little bit. Pamper our feet a little bit. Someone paddleboarding. It's nice. Little branch walk. So loud.
Welcome to Big Pine Key. All your dreams come true.
When you walk faster than the traffic, winning.
We should have been over there, but I made the mistake because I was thinking that was a dead end. Now we're walking against traffic. It's all right though. I didn't feel like backtracking. Cool looking bridge. Just sketchy traffic. Bahia Honda Railroad and Road. Going to Bahia Honda Park. We're about mile 16 today, day 2. And we're going to be camping at the Bahia Honda State Park. Should be able to get a shower, some food that we got with us from Big Pine Island, and some wine. Hopefully find some ice. Cool it down some. Anyways, I'll check back in at the middle of the bridge. Other side, to another place, to another life. I'll be there for you, every day and night. Gonna bring you right back to the way of life. Walking to the state park, we got the spot. We're living the dream. Beat up, living the dream.
I've got this much bridge to walk. I'm really hoping I can do it. My feet are killing me. I have blisters on my pinky toes, a blister on my left side of my heel, and it's just killing me, and my right heel is killing me. I just want to be able to stop, get this heavy bag off, and swim and just enjoy the rest of the day. We stopped and got pizza, but we're not hungry yet, but there's no food within walking distance that is close to Bahia Honda State Park. So we just bought the pizza and we're gonna, I guess, eat it cold. That'll be lunch / dinner. I just pray to God that we can get a campsite tonight. If we don't, we have to keep walking, and I'm legit gonna cry. I'm about ready to cry at the moment, so yeah. Yesterday was hard. I need a reset. Hopefully we get this campsite and we relax for the rest of the day and then get an early start tomorrow and push big miles. But I can't do big miles until I get a little bit of a break. So Bobby was booking it. I'm going turtle slow and whatever. I just want to get there. I'm going turtle slow and each step hurts. And he's going ahead and trying to get the campsite secured. So I will see you on the other side of the bridge. Good news. Bobby just called and we got the campsite, thank God, because I can't walk anymore. So I'm got that much of the bridge left, and that is Bahia Honda State Park. I gotta walk in there somewhere. I'm really hoping I can convince somebody to give me a ride, but there's a big line of traffic trying to get into the park for the holiday weekend. All right, I'm almost done, thank God, and I can just relax the rest of the day.
How is your key lime pie?
This is so much better than hiking today. It's well worth it. The water's cold, soothing my feet. Just have to try to kneel down in it. Not brave enough yet.
I'm trying to zoom in on your
I got my frozen key lime, chocolate covered key lime pie. Yummy.
Look at the bubble behind you. This way. You see it?